Are you ready to manifest your dreams and desires into reality? Hello, this is Neha and I am here to help. In today's video, I'm just going to be talk about the Hoponopono prayer. And I'm just going to be explain what does it mean by the Hoponopono prayer, how you can heal your life with the Hoponopono prayer, and what are the ways you can use when it comes to be healing anything, any area of your life. So, first of all, let's understand what does it mean by the Hoponopono prayer. Actually, Hoponopono prayer is just a Hawaiian prayer and it contains four phrases. And the four phrases are I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. So these are the four phrases that as known as the Hoponopono prayer. So, if you want to know that how you can use and what are the ways through them you are just going to be use them and you can heal your life, you can heal any area of your life through the Hoponopono prayer. So, I'm just going to be explain it. Now, first of all, let's understand what does it mean by all of those like four phrases. What does it mean by them? It simply mean when you say I am sorry, you are taking responsibility, you are acknowledging that you have done something wrong, like the for which area you are going to be use the Hoponopono prayer. It simply mean that you are acknowledging, you are taking responsibility that you have done something wrong towards that particular area in your life, and that's why you are saying I am sorry. Now when you say please forgive me, because you have already acknowledged, you have already taken responsibility, and now it comes to be say I am sorry, please forgive me, please forgive me because I have done something wrong towards you, and that's why I'm feeling please forgive me. Now you have to say thank you, thank you so much, thank you because you have forgiven me. Even if I have done a lot of things which were not good, I have done those things towards you. But however, you are just going to be forgiven me. You have forgiven me, and that's why I'm feeling gratitude towards you. I am saying thank you so much for forgiving me, even when I have done wrong things towards you. But you are so kind, you are so compassionate, just going to be forgive me. And that's why I am saying thank you so much. And now you have to say I love you. It simply means that you are spreading love. You are sending love vibration to that area in your life because you want to heal that particular area, and that's why it is crucial to sending the love vibration. When it comes to be higher vibration in the whole universe, then it will always be love, pure love, kindness, compassionate. It simply means going to be best feeling and the best and the high vibration. So you have to be send love vibration to that particular area for which you are using the Hoponopono prayer. So these were the meaning of those four phrases what I have told you. But now it comes to be what are the ways you can do Hoponopono prayer in your life. So suppose there are only not only I'm not going to be say that, but there are the two ways when it comes to be using the Hoponopono prayer in your life. And the first way to using Hoponopono prayer simply mean you have to be chant. Chanting simply mean that you are going to be chant Hoponopono prayer for like the 108 times. And some people do like that for 10 minutes. Some people do for like the 30 minutes, 40 minutes. It vary person to person how they are just going to prefer it in their life. So you can chant simply Hoponopono prayer. You can say, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. But at that particular time, you have to imagine yourself that you are talking to that particular area in your life for which you are just going to be use the Hoponopono prayer. And that's why you are going to be acknowledge that you have to be imagine that particular area in your life at that particular time. So this is the first way you can use the hoponopono prayer in your life. And the second way, when I'm talking about the you can heal your life with the hoponopono prayer, that is the conversational. It simply means that you have to be talked to that particular area that you are using Hoponopono prayer. Let's suppose you are doing Hoponopono prayer for specific for your hair. Now you have to be imagine your hair like you are talking to your hair, and you have to be chant those phrases for phrases. But now you have to be explain one of every phrases to your hair. You have to be explain, you have to be explain the why and the reason why you are saying I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. Even you can write down the reasons why you are saying sorry, because you have done a lot of things towards your hair. That's why those hairs are not going to be healthy anymore, and you are feeling that your hair are not healthy right now, and that's why you are saying I am sorry. You can write down the things that you didn't do towards your hair that you could be done in the past, and that's why you can say that. Okay, so this was the second way you can use. You have to be explain the reason why you are saying, why you are chanting the hoponopono prayer in detail. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.